Welcome to new lecture. In this lecture, we will see how can we access the resources file. So I will be providing program files for each lecture wherever it is required. So you can upload these files in your Jupyter Notebook environment. So how can we do that? Let's say this is my Jupyter Notebook environment and I want to upload resource file or code file in Jupyter Notebook. So let's say this is my one sample file and I want to upload it here. So go to upload and it will just you need to select that file. So this file will be having IPYNB extension. It is a extension for Jupyter Notebook. So select that file and upload. So just go to that file, sample file, and double click. So this program file will open. So I will be providing program files for each lecture wherever it is required, and you can download it and you can upload it in your Jupyter Notebook environment for your study. Thank you. Stay tuned.